Hi, it's going to be a quick update on the Rolls-Royce Phantom problem with the joystick and the screen. So I put everything together, connected all this monster, spent like maybe 5 hours checking all the diagrams, checking everything. So you can see the screen is working, the brightness is fixed, the screen is fixed, everything's working good. I'm going to put it together so it's going to look nicer. And then so I wanted to show you that I'm controlling to the original joystick and there's no problems so far. And I could go anywhere. Entertainment, communication. It's communication. We can go to entertainment, I guess. So you can see it's working. You can click on the button. Going here, going there. So it's all working good. Navigation screen missing because navigation module not connected. Settings working too. So you can see everything works. The main screen. See, the main screen looks pretty nice and bright. You can make it brighter, but I don't think there's any point. So that's about it. Like I said, everything works. If you still have some issues in the car, it basically tells me that there's something going on the CAN bus and we need to see your car here and expect all the signals, oscilloscope, compare it to the specs, check all the signals, commands, and see if it's not working. But hopefully everything should work. Thank you.